The state health department says black women are nearly twice as likely to die from maternal mortality. It happens when a woman dies during pregnancy, during delivery, or soon after.
A local group says Forsyth County ranks among the worst in the state. WFMY News 2's Denise McMiller spoke with a woman about her complications during pregnancy and how she hopes everyone gets the support she did.
For more than 20 years, these two zip codes, 27101 and 27105 in Winston-Salem, have had the highest rate of infant mortality. Today, two agencies stepped up to improve birth outcomes for expecting mothers in these areas. Expecting mothers were given a sash and treated like royalty at Novant Health's and Boston Thurman's United's community baby shower.
For moms in our community to gain access to resources, a variety of options for care for their children from early childhood, for prenatal care, for postpartum care, and really for moms just to feel celebrated.
Catherine Castor with Novant Health says oftentimes expecting mothers in Winston-Salem's black communities aren't aware of their resources. It's led to high mortality rates in mothers and unfavorable birth experiences.
I feel like nobody would understand what I went through. When I had my children, I had something called hyperemesis, and it is where you are sick often, you vomit a lot. I was always going back and forth to the emergency room because unfortunately I was a patient at the Downtown Health Plaza. At that time, their schedule was always backlogged, so your appointments were 2 or 3 months in between.
Lakeisha Terry says that was her experience because no one told her better care was available. Despite challenges, she gave birth to a healthy child who's now 19 years old. But she's made it her purpose to protect other mothers as one of the 20 nonprofits at the community baby shower. Data shows although black mothers die from pregnancy complications at a much higher rate than other ethnic groups, 80% of those deaths are preventable. That's why Regina Hall with Boston Thurman United says they're working behind the scenes to ensure mothers get equitable care.
We gather moms in our work that started with us sharing their birth stories to actually share some of their birth stories with these agencies, so with Novant Health and the health department, and also talk about what some possible community solutions are to help kind of break away and tap at these systemic issues.
Hall says it's hard to track down the cause for high mortality rates in black neighborhoods, but she has this message for medical professionals.
That folks, particularly in the medical profession, provide just a little more care.
In Winston-Salem, Denise McMiller, WFMY News 2.